everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find your size on Pandabuy. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your Pandabuy app on your phone. Once you've opened it up, go ahead, go to search bar and type in the product or the keyword for the thing that you are wishing to purchase. So for example, I have simply searched the shirt normally, and I'm going to tap on the shirt that I would like to purchase. Once I've typed in, the first is you're simply going to scroll down, and as soon as you do that, you will find the sizes in the centimeter given: small, medium, large, extra large, 2XL and 3XL, given just right over here. Now when I go to this section of buy now, I will have to choose a color for me, like whichever one I would prefer. Right, once I have taken the particular shirt, at the over here you can see help choose a size. I'm going to simply choose a size that I would like to go for. Right, and I'm then simply going to go ahead and go to the submit section. Once I have submitted that, this is how my order going to look like, including the detail of my order and the price. I'm going to tap on the submit at the bottom again, and my order will be submitted for it to be shipped to me once I'm done with the payment and address information. And that is how you will be able to do so. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.